Did you know that nearly 60% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency? That can be a scary stat, but starting an emergency fund is easier than you think even with just $5 a day. Life happens, car repairs, medical bills, or an unexpected layoff. Without a financial cushion, these surprises can turn into major stress. But building an emergency fund doesn't require a massive income or drastic lifestyle changes. Today, I'll show you how setting aside just $5 a day can help you create a safety net and give you peace of mind. Imagine this: you skip one fancy coffee or fast food meal each day and instead, put $5 into savings. Over time, this small habit can lead to big results. In a month, you'll have $150. In a year, that's $1,825. Now think about this: an emergency fund of $1,000 is enough to cover most common emergencies, like a flat tire or a medical copay. With just $5 a day, you could reach that goal in less than 7 months. The key is to make it automatic and painless. Here's how. 1. Open a dedicated savings account. Look for a high-yield savings account, which can grow your money faster with interest. 2. Automate your savings. Most banks allow you to set up automatic transfers. Schedule $5 daily or $35 weekly to move from your checking to your savings account. 3. Cut back in small ways. Brew your coffee at home, bring lunch to work, or cancel unused subscriptions. These little adjustments free up money without major sacrifices. For example, let's say you spend $10 on lunch at work every day. If you pack lunch just twice a week, you've already saved $10, enough for 2 days of your emergency fund savings. And if $5 feels like too much right now, start smaller. Even $2 a day adds up over time. The important thing is to start. Building an emergency fund doesn't require a windfall or lottery win, it just takes consistency and small daily steps. Start today by saving $5, or even less, and watch your safety net grow. If this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe for more practical money tips. And share in the comments, what's one small change you're making to grow your savings? Let's build financial security together.